If our assumption is that people who are questioning us are wrong, what will happen? And that was my behavior unless I read my first book on self help, How to Win Friends and Influence People. In that, there is a section that if you want to influence people towards you, you cannot condemn, criticize, and complain. I repeat again, 3 C's it says, you cannot condemn, you cannot criticize, and you cannot complain. If you do these 3 things, you cannot align people towards you, no matter how good is your idea. And once I read this and I started seeing that, how do I live this feedback? I actually started asking myself this question, and I made a habit. I'll give supportive talk and unsupportive talk if you really want to get rid of this problem. So I initially, somebody used to say something wrong to me, Vijay, this is wrong. My first tendency would be to defend. Second tendency would be to argue. Third tendency will be to stop talking to them. What is the probability that I could have ever grown in my life? 0, isn't it? Because see, who will give feedback? If feedback we cannot take it, and that's the most difficult part, then majority of us are not able to take feedback. Okay, just add one line, why. One word itself is good enough to start with this. Why is the person saying like this?